We just hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, welcome and thanks for coming.
After 5 years of hard work, we finally got our 1,000th subscriber 2 days ago, and not a day later, YouTube sent us this box. I don't know what's in it.
I'm excited. Can I? Can we do it?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
Crack it open.
All right. All right. Oh,
What's in it?
there's a letter in here.
A letter?
Should I read the letter first, or?
Yeah, let's see what the letter says.
All right. So.
Whoa, it's
all right,
on the
here's the letter.
It's on official YouTube letterhead.
Official. All right. All right. Let me read. So, dear Max and Kyle, I'm the CEO of YouTube, aka Susan Wachowski, and I want to personally congratulate you on your huge milestone of 1,000 subs. Your videos are really good, and it's crazy to see your exponential growth over the course of the last 5 years.
Wow.
I hope you continue your pursuit of algorithm crushing content, because on behalf of everyone here at YouTube, we're all huge fans, especially your award-winning coverage of the 2018 LA Auto Show. Believe me when I say we're on the edge of our seats waiting to see what 2019 has in store. So here's to you, and here's to even more thousands of subs in years to come. Love, Susan.
Now there's something else in the box too.
All right, do you wanna? Go ahead, go.
All right.
Oh,
dude!
Oh my.
It's a play button. RoadHeads Media, congratulations on passing 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you guys so much. Like when we started this channel, we never intended to like win or get a play button or anything, any awards or anything. Like, we just love cars, and like
we're just a regular person, just like every single one of you watching this video. All it took was 5 hard years of work and sweat and blood, and we finally have something to show for it. So thank you.
Thank you guys so much. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't have so many 100,000 views on all of our videos combined. So
that's right.
Cheers to you guys.
To the RoadHeads Army.
Thank you guys, and on 3, should we say it?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for coming.
No.